Welcome to Ingots, your gateway to smart and flexible crypto investing. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create your Ingots account and complete identity verification so you can start trading with confidence. To get started, click the Sign Up button on the Ingots homepage. Enter your phone number and referral code, if you have one. Next, create a secure password to protect your account. Then enter your email address. Check your inbox for the verification code sent by Ingots. Enter the code to confirm your email address. Next, review and agree to the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and cookie policy. Then click Submit to continue. Once you are logged into your dashboard, click Verify Now to begin the identity verification process. Select Verify Identity to proceed. Prepare a valid government-issued ID or passport. Align your document within the frame and capture a clear photo to continue. Next, position your face within the frame. Follow the instructions and blink your eyes when prompted to complete the face verification process. After submission, your identity verification will be reviewed by the system. Once your KYC verification is approved, the next step is to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Start by copying the 2FA setup code, as you will need it in the next steps. If you don't already have it installed, download Google Authenticator from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app. Tap the plus icon. Then select Enter a setup key. Enter a preferred account name, such as Ingots2FA. Then paste the setup key you copied earlier and tap Add. A 6-digit verification code will now be generated inside Google Authenticator. Copy the code, for example, 828942, and return to Ingots. Enter the code to complete your 2FA setup. Your account is now fully secured and ready to use. Log into your dashboard and start your dual asset trading journey with Ingots today. Thank you for choosing Ingots as your trusted platform.